So, noticing patterns, making conjectures based on evidence. So what you're going to do is you're going to get some data, you're going to look at the evidence, and you're going to make what's called a conjecture. That's our next word. Conjecture. What do you think a conjecture is?
Wait, I remember it was like.
Say it again. A logical conclusion.
Yes.
Very good. A conjecture is a logical conclusion. So, what can a conclusion be? It can either be true or false. How do I prove something false?
Because it's not real.
Very good. A counterexample. So a counterexample proves, very good. Something that shows a conjecture is false. Proves a conjecture false. So, we have made good definitions, which is what we worked on last time, for these, for inductive reasoning, conjecture, and counterexample. You're going to use those ideas to complete the rest of this on inductive reasoning. Actually, when I wasn't here on Tuesday, that's what that practice was. It was using inductive reasoning to make conjectures and find counterexamples. So, at this point, I'm going to give y'all 5 minutes to do numbers 1 and 2. You can work together. I'm going to come around and keep an eye on stuff. So you've got 5 minutes to do numbers 1 and 2.
Raj was playing with multiplying odd and even numbers. Here's what he wrote on his page. Conjectures were based on this I think it's that odd times odd.
Would that be a conjecture? Yeah. So write it down. What else you got? 5 times even makes even. Can you make any other conjectures? Okay, well, get the paper out and get on board with us. Expand. What's he finding out from doing that?
That could just be they're all wrong.
Look at your look at what it says. What types of numbers?
Yes.
Okay, odd.
They're not being
Odd.
They're all. Wait, hold on. Odd makes odd. Even makes even. And step down.
5 plus 4. And then even and odd makes even.
No.
Draw the fifth finger.
Oh, sorry.
What's got over there, Farley?
This is so easy.
Okay, the other thing I'm gonna have to say.
Hey, at least you gotta shoot there. I like that.
I want everybody else. Suction.
We were right.
That's cool. All you gotta do is draw.
It's okay. I didn't.
So you said it doesn't have any. What you gonna do?
It's either your fingers or your feet if you don't
What's that?
It depends on how you
Jose is for real.
It does not have to be as much beautiful.
Jose, what side voice do you have for me?
Why, Jose, you know,
Yeah, that was a part of his character design.
I got about 30 seconds to finish this up.
He's gonna be like, don't talk my pigeons. I'm gonna talk about me, I'm just like 200 pigeons.
That's a little bit straight, but like, it's not.
I gotta make this.
So that's supposed to do.
Think more on this. There's a lot.
What, you said don't like that?
All right.
What?
Not lunch yet.
Why not?
Okay. So, number one said Raj was playing around with multiplying odd and even numbers. There's your hint. Here's what he wrote on his paper. 3 times 5 is 15. What conjectures could Raj make based on the evidence? 4 times 7 is 28. 8 times 5 is 40. 6 times 4 is 24. 9 times 9 is 81. Who wants to put it up here?
Wait,
Let me see what you got.
you're the second one.
Okay, so you're almost there.
Almost
there. Who thinks they have the right answer that was put up there?
Jose said you do.
You got it.
So good. I didn't
Can I be in?
Go, Jake.
Can I do the next one?
Oh!
It's okay. There you go.
That just sounds like you have to draw a number.
Bro, why do you want the D's like that?
7.
He did the circle and we don't have to sit down.
You got a problem?
It's a very touchy touch screen.
Bro, the freaking sub from the other NBCT. You remember him?
He looks out there and goes,
He just sat there.
what happened?
The sub from the other day, he was NBC.
Oh, the sub is.
Yeah, I used to
Even.
Mid class.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Mid class. You want to
All right. So explain what you wrote.
Alright. So that's odd, makes odd.
Oh.
So an odd times an odd is going to make
Odd.
An odd.
Okay. You got even right here.
Uh-huh.
You got odd.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Makes even.
Boom.
Okay.
One more thing.
You got. I'm going crazy. Even right
Oh.
here. Even.
Oh.
Even.
Excellent job. So,
You really did that.
excellent job.
I did not know that.
So, as Carson said, when you multiply two odds, you get an odd number. When you multiply two evens, you get an even number. When you multiply an odd and an even, you get an even number. Are there any counterexamples to prove this wrong?
Maybe.
Those were excellent conjectures. All right. So I saw a couple of people on number 2 not quite read directions.
It's a 5 by 5.
It asked for the 5th figure. John White already asked.
Hey.
I was coming.
Hey.
Come on, get inside, get inside.
So
Somehow we did.
I saw a lot of you draw the 4th figure on there. This asked for the 5th.
Y'all are smart.
They're like, actually, you were doing
Ah.
That's the thing.
John, what is that?
They're like a belly button.
As I said, it's a very touchy touch.
It's a touchy screen.
I lost my bid.
You're racist.
Who's racist?
Like for a job.
What?
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 What did he say?
Happened.
What did he say? Don't talk.
Oh, that's good, that's good.
Alright.
What did he say?
Okay, fine now.
Hold on. Hold on.
Oh!
Bro, you messed
Alright.
Please don't, please fix that.
So what kind of figure did you draw?
A 5 by 5. There's actually 25 of these. Count them all.
Exactly. So how'd you know? First off, how'd you know it was going to be 5 by 5? And secondly, how'd you know there were going to be 25?
Alright, so if you read the directions here, it says draw the 5th figure. You may be asking yourself, how'd you figure out that was the 5th figure? Figure 1 has 1. Figure 2 has 2. Figure 3 has 3.
Hold on. Has 3 what?
Has 3 lines. 3 rows.
3 by 3.
3 rows and 3 columns. So it would, I heard it over there, that would be 3 by 3. Which means the 5th figure needs to be
5 by 5.
5.
Oh my God!
Excellent job.
I played good.
So, one shape, or the first shape is what?
One.
You've got one box, and it is a
1 by 1.
square.
Oh, we better leave.
We are about to learn.
I'm starving.
So, have you ever seen this? The 2 is the exponent? What's the other word for the 2 is the exponent?
Double, two.
Square.
Square. Oh, thank you.
Square. Do you know why it's square?
Because
Because it makes a square.
It's a square.
So this one, figure 2 is 2 squared. Figure 3 is. So figure 5 would be. What would figure 100 be? So, what is the pattern?
It's
So
going
my
by number
pattern-
same though.
If I asked you for the nth term, have you ever heard that?
No.
The nth term?
No.
The nth term means any term. In any. I know any starts with an A, but the nth term means I can put any number in there and I can figure out what it is. So if I ask for the nth term, what am I doing to every term?
Going by the time.
I am squaring it. So the pattern here would be the number of the term squared.